goes. And I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Sorry by Beabadobee. Okay, so this is a pretty simple song, guys. When I say simple, I mean really simple. We're not using any kickball. We're gonna play this in standard chords. Okay, just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, and let's get right into it. So the first chord that we're playing is a D7. It's a pretty simple chord. You hold 0 2. For those of you that can interpret tabs, it's 0 2 0 2 3 0, right? But for this song, we're not holding the third fret of the second string, so you leave that open to play 0 2 0 2 0 0. So that's, and then we go to G, and then we go to E minor. So, and then G, and then E minor. Now for those of you that are a bit advanced, you can use the D minor 7 instead of the D7. You can use the B minor 7 to play. It still sounds the same. See? Let me just play the whole song so that I tell you which chords work for which part. So for the verse, it's D7, E minor, and then G. This part where she's going na 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 like you, na na na, skin to bone, right? And then as you get to the and it hurts me, right? And it okay, so that is it hurts me. Right, so that's D7, E minor, then G. It's D7, E minor. Right, that's the pre-chorus that goes na 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 na. Right? So D7, G, E minor. I think this is the pre-chorus, or maybe the chorus, I'm not sure. It's kind of G, best of us. Okay, so at the end of the chorus there's a I guess that's what happens to the best of us, and we end with an F, right? So let me give you the progression for that. It's G, right? D7, E minor, E minor, na, na, na. So that na, 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 right? It's D7, E minor, na, na. And then I guess that's the rest of us. The na, I go, na, na. Okay, so that's the I guess that's what happens to the best of us, the best of us. Right, so that's D minor. Sorry, that's E minor. Na, 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 G. Na, 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 F, right? So that's the chorus. And then we go back into the verse. It's the same chords. As we get into the verse, it's just E minor, D7, E minor, G. And then my strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, that's D7 to E minor. and then I guess that's what happens to E minor to G to F, the best of us. And then as we get into that solo, we're playing D7, E minor to G for the solo, and then as we come back to the verse that comes right after that, or is the bridge, it's the same thing. So that's D7. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. This is just E minor to G. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. So it's D minor, E minor, G once, D minor, E minor, G for the second time, and then you go to the na, na, na. I guess that's what happens to the best of us. Right? So that I guess that's what happens to the best of us is basically E minor, G, F. Right? Pretty simple song, guys. I will try to just type in the chords down below for those of you that could not follow through, because I was basically interpreting each and every part of the song. So I know there's some of you that just need, you know, the chords to the chorus or the chords to the verse. I will do that in the comment section, provided you guys need that. You just let me know. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace out.